Understanding the phrase, thin ice. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we have an interesting phrase to explore, thin ice. We'll dig into its meaning, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. So, stay tuned, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the literal meaning of thin ice. When ice is thin, it's fragile and can break easily if you step on it. It's not safe to walk on because it might not be able to support your weight. This image is a powerful one, and it has made its way into how we speak in English. Now, moving on to the figurative meaning. When we use the phrase, on thin ice, in a conversation, we are not talking about actual ice. Instead, we are using it as a metaphor to describe a risky or dangerous situation. If someone says, "You are on thin ice," they mean that you are in a precarious position, and you need to be careful because there could be negative consequences. Let's see some examples to understand better. 1. At work. If your boss says, "You've been coming in late too often. You're on thin ice," this means that your job could be in danger if you don't start coming in on time. 2. In relationships. If a friend tells you, "You've been really rude lately. You're on thin ice," they are warning you that your behavior could harm your friendship. 3. At school. A teacher might say, "This is the third time you've not done your homework. You're on thin ice," indicating that you need to start doing your homework to avoid failing the class. The phrase, on thin ice, is believed to originate from the literal dangers of walking on thin ice during winter. The metaphorical use of the phrase to describe a precarious or risky situation has been in use since at least the early 20th century. And that's a wrap on thin ice. Remember, when you hear this phrase, it's a warning that you're in a risky situation, and you need to tread carefully. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.